This is probably the first stand mixer that I see that have a digital.
Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys, from Maestro Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be something special. Like always, all my videos are really special. Thank you so much for dedicating your time to watching my videos. Leave a nice thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe right here if you love pizza. Because this channel is all about pizza. Yes, #1 pizza channel on YouTube. Today is going to be a video unboxing review. Today we are going to do this. Voila! A nice box here, and it's different. Today is not an oven. Today we receive a stand mixer from Hauswirt. I believe that's the name, Hauswirt. I see this mixer. They send me an email. They say, Vito, you would like to try this stand mixer? I search a little bit because, you know, I try only good things. And this one looks like a good thing. Even if I use a professional dough machine, which is from Pugliese. But that's more professional. This one is a stand mixer, so it's very easy and to use. Today we are going to use it, and I'm going to show you what's inside this box, and I'm going to review this stand mixer. So enjoy and let's see what's inside the box. That's one piece inside the box. One piece. Let's see. Wow. Nice, good looking stand machine. A plug. I see something is inside here. Something is inside here. The manual, yes, you need it just to see all the things, the speed and everything that is inside. But to be honest, I like to test it myself. I have some all the ingredients to make a pizza dough. So today I'm going to show you with this stand mixer how to make a direct dough Neapolitan style with the mixer. So let's go ahead, still doing the unboxing. Paper. We have the first hook. Nice. Hook farfalla. Flour. That's what I need. A regular hook to make Neapolitan style pizza. A nice, this is, well, I don't really need it, but this one is also useful. And done. And the bowl. I can see that here you can take out the bowl, which is really comfortable to clean it up. So, yeah, that's the, until right now, this stand mixer is not bad. Not bad, I have to say. Nice, good looking. It's all plastic, but this is metal. And this is very comfortable because I like when you can take it out. And then it's very comfortable to clean. You can lock it. And then we need this hook to be able to make the dough. So let's go ahead, let's put it in. This one. Done. You lock it. I see 10 speed. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, 8 speed. It's a display, light display. Not bad, not bad. Voila! This one was the unboxing. Now let's go ahead and let's see how this dough machine will work, and then if it's strong enough to make my dough. Today we are going to do a direct Neapolitan style 70%. Like usual, direct. So let's smash this thumbs up right now. Thank you so much. And let's enjoy this pizza dough making with the stand mixer.
This is probably the first stand mixer that I see that have a digital display with regular. You can tell it tells you the speed and the time. So this is very comfortable. So we can put a at 30 minutes, then first speed until 8 speed, and also I see this. It's like a mixer, like when you do the shakers. That's really good to make some biga. Wow! But today we are going to test it with a regular direct dough, and then I can't wait to see this working. So let's go ahead, let's make it. Okay guys, you can check out this stand mixer from Hauswirt on the link in description. I have all the links, and it's very easy to find on Amazon, and they are available like this. They ship right away, fast. So let's go ahead and let's make the dough. This is really comfortable because you can put the ingredients from here. So let's go ahead and let's start the dough. So here we have 400 milligrams of room temperature water. Let's put 5 grams of dry yeast, a little spoon of honey. Voila. Let's mix everything up. Something really quick today, just to see this mixer working, and let's go ahead and let's melt everything up. Couple of minutes, actually couple of seconds, sorry. So here, so we put OK. Let's set up the time. Let's set up the time at oh, these are the second. Okay. Now let's speed a little bit for 30 seconds. Let's put a 30 seconds. And let's mix everything up. Voila. 30 seconds. Voila. Look at this. It went off by himself by setting up the time. This is the first time ever in 25 years making pizza the dough machine goes off by himself. Anyway, we put the water, yeast, honey, and then now we can put half amount of the flour. So here we are doing 620 grams of flour. So we're gonna put half of it. Voila. In description you find the full recipe. So again, now let's put 1 minute. 1 minute, okay, speed number 2 again. Here we go. 2 minutes pass by. Now let's add 15 grams of sea salt from this little hole right here. Voila. Now let's set up the time at 15 minutes total. Now we wait that the salt melts for a couple of seconds, and then let's stop. And let's put the rest of the flour. There we go. So now let's close everything again. Oh, there we go. Speed number 5 for 15 minutes. I see here, when I get 15 minutes, the dough is ready. Voila, there we go guys, 15 minutes passed by. Let's put it off, and like you can see, oh my god, they came out really good. I'm going to show you. Wow, I didn't expect this dough machine to be like this strong and fast, because usually it's not that the dough comes out like this. So let me show you a little bit. So now we let it rest the dough inside the dough machine for 10 minutes, just like this. Don't touch anything. Let's close it and let's wait 10 minutes. Okay guys, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes passed by, and now I see here they have like a speed quick, so we have to speed for about maybe 5 seconds, and this way the dough gets detached and the gluten gets strong, and then we can take it out. So 1, 2, 3. and boom, 5 seconds pass by. Let's open up and let's see the dough. Wow, wow. So now we're gonna detach it from this. Wow, take a look of the dough. It's really strong, but we can make it a little bit more stronger. So the dough, this stand mixer did his job. I have to say they did this job. Look at this, how comfortable it is. How comfortable it is. Boom. Take it out. Move the stand mixer. Look at this, attached to the table, which is really good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Very easy to clean, be careful. It's very easy to clean. We move it on side. Let's move it on side right here. There we go. Right there, you need a wood bowl, a wood table, and let's get the dough. A little bit of olive oil in your hands. That's why we didn't put any olive oil in the dough. And go like this. And let's detach the dough from the dough machine. Actually, it's already detached. Wow. I mean, take a look how it come out. Very easy to clean. Voila. Let's put it right actually in the sink directly. Little bit of olive oil in the bowl. Just a little bit. Voila. This way after it's gonna be really easy to detach. So now we have to create a ball. So the dough is ready when it's nice and smooth, just like that. By hands is a little bit more complicated, you have to work a little bit more. When it's nice and tight, you can do like this. You can go ahead and put it directly in the bowl. Let's cover up the dough with a towel, just like that, or a plastic wrap, and we let it rest for 1 hour at room temperature. You can put plastic wrap, you can put a towel, or you can put the lid. So let's let it rest for 1 hour. Here you go, guys. After boom, 1 hour, like you can see, the dough is nice and relaxed. Let's put olive oil in your hands, just like that. Dun, 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 dun. And now let's detach, just like this, the dough from the bowl, even if it's probably already detached. So we have to place this on the counter, just like that. Boom, like you can see, nice and soft. And now we are ready to make 4 balls total. There we go. Wow. Let's make it. 1. 2 and 4. Hold on, before I want to show you something. We noticed that the dough machine is really good when you can open the dough and just do this. Like you can see, this is the gluten, nice and strong. See, the dough machine was able to build the dough, the gluten nice and strong. Okay, now let's get a bowl. Let's put some semolina on the bottom of the pan. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Olive oil again. That's the reason why we didn't put the olive oil in the dough. And those, they're gonna be cooked in the regular home oven. There we go. The dough is nice and almost ready. So at this point, we'll let it rest 6 hours to 8 hours at room temperature. If you don't use it, put it in the fridge and you block the fermentation, and that's ready tomorrow. But before putting it in the fridge, we have to wait that the dough gets to the point to be used. To see the result of the pizza, please check out my other videos. This video was mainly to unboxing and review this this stand mixer from Hauswirt, and then of course you're going to see all the links below to get this this mixer. I give to this mixer a nice 8.9, almost 9 for this mixer, because I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep it to make some small quantity of dough, but coming soon something special, nice. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please keep sharing, like this video, and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you at the next one. Every Wednesday I'll do unboxing and review videos, and Saturday I post like 2-3 videos a week. So make sure check it all out. And pizza is lifestyle. Pizza is a serious thing. From Maestro Vito Iacopelli is everything. And this dough is nice and lovely, nice and soft. This one was direct dough. I personally love the pulish technique, but this one is very easy dough. We test the dough machine and come out really good, really perfect. I will post a picture on my Instagram tomorrow. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao!